It means rape.
Until the 1990s, since most of its features had eroded in the last 2 billion years. But photos from space revealed its existence.
I'm just jizzing in my pants. Oh yes, I jizzed in my pants. This giant dirt tower kinda looks like a dildo. Look how high I am! Ha! 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 Oh crap, this is all snow biome. Dang it, I can't jump into that water. Oh crap. Yeah, I should have thought this out more. If I did jump, I would die. If I didn't jump, I would die. Let's see if I can eat this dirty meat. Eat it! Didn't even put me up to full. Let's see if I can... I'm gonna throw some chicken eggs. How many chickens? I made one baby chicken. No! Baby chicken, don't... My baby chicken's falling. They grow up so fast. He can fly. Oh no, he's falling. He disappeared. I just want to jizz in my... I die. Why? Well, this is my first video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.